Hey guys, so today's lesson is even shorter than yesterday's because we're just adding one more thing in. So if I have a word problem, or one of our coyote problems of Jimbathy threw a Bible at someone to make them a Christian, because that definitely works. The Bible's path in the air is shown by this equation. All right? And then it's going to ask me a bunch of questions. So what's my job? My job is to start by putting this into Desmos. So showing you where I am, I'm going to type in y equals, and let me make sure you can still see it. There we go. Y equals negative 1 divided by 2 x squared, and it was plus 5. Great. So let's see what my questions are. Number 1, how tall is Jimbo? Jimbathy. How tall is this? Stay where I want you to stay, paper. There we go. How tall is he? Well, where is he throwing it from? Right. So this is assuming that when you throw something, you're throwing it at head level. So where it leaves your hand is also going to be um, how tall you are. So in this regard, this question would simply be talking about the y-intercept, right? It's like where did he leave the catapult from? It's the same question, just in a different way. So my y-intercept is 5. So Jimbo is a 5-foot dude. 5 foot. How high did he throw it? We didn't do that yet. When did it hit the floor? We know how to do that. So I look at it and it goes, ew, hits the ground right there. The furthest right x-intercept, it's at 3.162 after that many seconds. So 3.162 seconds. All right, so new question. How high did he throw it? So what you're looking for here is the vertex of the parabola. All right, and it looks like the vertex was up here. We already found that. This one was unusual. The vertex was right here, and the vertex is 0, 5. Now, if you look at your notes from just the other day, the vertex is what gives us how high the max height is and when the max height happens. So I have 0, 5. How high is going to be that number? So the highest this went was 5 feet. Apparently, he's a pretty bad throw, and he didn't even lob it. He just threw it straight ahead. Now, when did it hit max height? We also use that, except we look at the first number. 0. 0 seconds. So that's all we're adding in here. So we're doing the same things we did yesterday, except we're adding in one more element. Tomorrow, we're going to be talking about doing these backwards. In other words, I give you a graph, you give me the equation, and a sorts of other puzzly ways to do these. Um, but today, I want to keep taking this really slow, um, give you guys a little bit of a rest before we kick it back into gear, and should be good. So, how do you like that 4-minute lesson today? Um, Good luck with the homework. If you have any questions, just let me know. Bye.